to prepare 0.1 normal to 50 ml oxalic acid solution. At first, the calculation should be done with the information taken from this reagent bottle. Reagent bottle contains the molecular formula, molecular weight, and the assay value, that means the purity. And the calculation says that we have to take 1.574 gram oxalic acid dihydrate for this calculation. Now we are going to measure this amount. The first step is to tear this measuring substance. Here it is the paper, piece of paper. You have to tear this. What is the tear? Tearing has been done. Now it is 0. Now we are going to put this oxalic acid into this with the help of this spatula. It should be 1.57 1.574 gram. You have to put 1.2. Now it is almost ready. This is the amount. It is almost perfect. Now we have to take this oxalic acid out from this balance and put this into this volumetric flask. It is very handy if we use funnel, then it becomes very easy for us. Using funnel makes it easy for pouring this substance into this. Totally pour it into this. Now we are going to make this solution. At first we have to pour very small amount of water for dissolving this amount of reagent. Now we are going to dissolve this. Gentle stirring. The amount of water should be very precise so that it doesn't exceed the amount that is required for dissolving this substance. Okay. Almost dissolved. Now we are going to pour some additional water. We have to carry out this until it becomes completely dissolved. Almost clear solution is appearing. Now we are going to add some water to balance up to the mark, and at this stage we have to use dropper so that it doesn't overshoots this 5 up to 50 ml mark. We are adding water using a dropper so that it doesn't exceed this 250 ml mark. Very carefully. It should be added from the side wall of this container. Okay, it seems that it perfectly matches the lower meniscus with the mark indicated in this container. In this way, we have to prepare the solution. That's all. Thanks to all for watching.